5 public speaking hiccups and how to fix them like a pro.
Headline: Master the MIC, 5 signs you need public speaking makeover and easy fixes.
1.
Feedback phobia. You shy away from critical comments, even constructive ones. Examples: scenario: after presenting, your boss offers feedback on your body language, but you brush it off, thinking they're nitpicking. Fix: embrace feedback. It's a gift, not a criticism.
Ask clarifying questions and use it to refine your skills.
Remember, even top athletes and musicians have coaches. 2. Body language blunders. Your posture screams disinterest. Crossed arms convey defensiveness, and nervous fidgeting distracts everyone. Examples: scenario: you slouch throughout your presentation, making eye contact sporadically, and your voice lacks energy.
Fix: record yourself speaking, paying attention to body language.
Get feedback from a trusted friend or colleague.
Practice confident postures, open gestures, and natural eye contact. 3.
Filler frenzy. And creep into your speech, weakening your message and credibility. Examples: scenario: every other sentence seems to start with or making your presentation sound hesitant and unprepared.
Fix: count your filler words in a recorded speech.
Aim for less than 2 per minute.
Substitute pauses and silence for fillers. Practice speaking smoothly and confidently.
4. Monotone madness. Your voice lacks variation, lulling your audience to sleep instead of captivating them. Examples: scenario: your presentation drones on in a monotone, with no changes in pitch, pace, or emphasis. The audience seems bored and disengaged.
Fix: record yourself reading different types of text news, poem, story, and analyze your vocal variety.
Practice using different tones and volumes to emphasize key points and engage your audience.
5. Clarity chaos. Your message gets lost in complex sentences, jargon, or unclear delivery, leaving listeners confused.
Examples: scenario: you use technical terms without explanation, speak too fast, and mumble key points, leading to audience confusion and requests for clarification. Fix: simplify your language, articulate clearly, and avoid jargon.
Practice your presentation at different speeds and volumes to ensure clarity. Ask someone to summarize your key points after you practice to check for understanding.
Remember, these signs are meant to help you identify areas for improvement, not to discourage you. Public speaking is a skill anyone can develop with practice and dedication.
By addressing these points, you'll be well on your way to delivering impactful presentations, leading engaging meetings, and communicating confidently in any situation.
Join the next session to gain even more tools and techniques for public speaking mastery.